Howdy, welcome to part 1. Okay, so to start off my bumper build, I am first have an idea of what I want to make, but like how I want to do a hybrid bumper. But to start off, I'm gonna like model it out with cardboard. I'm gonna start that off. We're gonna take off the bumper, the like actual metal support one.
Sugar Plum Fairy came and hit the streets. Look at the soul food and
So now, before actually pulling it off, you want to make sure that you take off these little rubber. So there's the one that has an R on it for the right side, and then the one that has the L on it for the left side. So these, you want to take those off first so they don't. I don't know why it's connected, but just take it off. Alright, so there's one. I've got the left one to do, and then I'll come back to ya. Okay, so I've finished pulling off the bumper part, the like actual structural integrated bumper, and now I am tracing up the mounting points on foam that I got from like cardstock foam board that I got from Michael's. 36 inches is the grill, across the grill, which is about the size I need, so it's perfect. And here's what it looks like. Okay, so far I've traced out the foam board to where so far I've gotten like a rough estimate of what I need to model the foam on into SolidWorks, which will then get CNC cut or laser cut or something out of steel, which I'll do 1/4 inch steel for the winch and like the main attachment points to the car, and then everything else, all the outer plates will be 3/16 steel. Okay, so I finished modeling it into SolidWorks, and now I've done the foam prototype. Now I'm going to form the SolidWorks version into wood. So I'm going to have a sturdier thing that I can glue together. And here is what the first version of everything looks like so far. And then that's the board I'm using, as well as this board right here. Okay, so I finally finished drawing out the design from SolidWorks, which is originally from the foam, onto the wooden board, and then I drilled a couple pilot holes. So now I just have to cut it out and see if it fits. So now what I have left to do, this is the second version, so version 2.0, the most recent one, that was shortened a little bit, but I need to make a third version, which shortens it even more. So that's what I'm going to go and do now. And you'll see the byproduct of that tomorrow.